In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit records in bulk from the Object Index page in Hubspot. This is a huge time saver when you need to update the same property across many records at once, like changing a status, assigning an owner, or updating a category. We will do everything from the Object Index page, which is the main list view where you see all records of a certain type. First, go to your Hubspot account and open the CRM menu. From there, choose the object you want to work with. For example, you might select contacts or deals, but the process is the same for other objects as well. Once you are on that Object Index page, you will see a table with your records. Next, select the records you want to edit. Use the checkboxes to the left of each record to select individual rows. If you want to select every record currently visible on the page, use the checkbox in the header at the top of the table. This selects the entire page in one click, which is helpful when you are working with a filtered view. If you need to edit more than one page of results, look for the blue text option that says Select All, followed by the total number of records. Click that option to include all records that match your current view, not just the ones on the current page. Before you do this, it is a good idea to confirm that your filters and sorting are set correctly, since your bulk edit will apply to everything you have selected. With your records selected, go to the top of the table and click Edit. This opens the Bulk Edit panel, where you can choose which property you want to update. Now search for and select the property you want to change. Take a moment to confirm you picked the correct property, especially if there are similar names. Then enter the new value you want applied across all selected records. Make sure the new value is exactly what you intend, because bulk edits can affect a large number of records at once. Finally, click Update to apply the change. Hubspot will process the update and save that new value to every record you selected. That covers everything you need to know.